Hi coaches, this video is going to show you the different methods in which you can enroll your clients into your coaching programs. So let's take a look at this coaching programs page first of all. And this is for our coach today, Jessica Albert, which I'm going to use as an example. And she's also got her website. So let's take a look at Jessica's website over here. This is her homepage. And she's also got a menu item of all of the programs that she's actually offering to her clients. Let's go back to her CoachVantage account. You'll see that she's created 2 coaching programs that she offers to clients to sign up to. The first is Managing Chronic Stress, and the other is Diet and Fitness for Women. Once her programs have been created, you'll see that there is this little 3-dot icon or ellipsis where there are several options over here. The first thing you can do is copy the sign up page link, and then you can paste it in your emails or on your social media channels, which will actually display that landing page URL into your emails or on your social media channels. What does this landing page actually look like? If I click on this, it's going to take me to the landing page for this program. This is what it actually looks like. It provides your prospects or your potential clients with details about the program, the information, the program structure, the number of sessions you offer, the total duration. They can look at your client testimonials, and then they can go through these steps here to fill up the information. And then once they have completed this and click submit, it's going to send them an email that tells them, thank you for signing up to my program. Please create your client portal. And at the same time, we will save that contact record into your CoachVantage account as a contact over here. So that's one way in which you can enroll your clients by copying the sign up page URL link, putting it in your emails or your social media channels. The other thing you can do is to actually look at this option here, which is website embed. Over here, you've got a couple of options to actually copy a snippet of code for the sign up button, which will display a sign up button on your website. And here is another snippet of code that allows you to copy it, and then you can paste it in your website builder. And once it's pasted, it's going to look like this. So let's go back to Jessica's website, and here you'll see her programs. So let's click on it. And this now displays that embedded page of all of her coaching programs that she offers. So over here, as a prospect visiting Jessica's website, I can click on this, for instance, and it will take me into this specific landing page for this particular program. I can then fill up my information and go through the steps here to fill up all of the information that's needed, and then click next, and then it's going to save my contact details in Jessica's CoachVantage account, and it will automatically trigger an email to the client as well. The other thing that can be done is if you'd like to create and design your own program page on your website, that's perfectly fine too. You can write all about your program, you can add any kind of assets, any kind of design that you wish, and then this is the sign up now button, and there's a link. You can actually make this redirect to a new tab where your clients or prospects will be redirected to this landing page. And again, they'll go through these steps and then complete the enrollment, and they will be successfully enrolled into your coaching program. So far we have spoken about 2 different methods. One is to copy and paste this link on your emails and your social media channels. The other is to embed this page into your website for prospects to sign up to directly from your website. The other way is you can actually click on invite clients. So when you click on this, you'll see a drop down here. When you click on this drop down, it's going to display all of your contacts that you have already saved in your CoachVantage account. And over here, you can actually select multiple contacts and then click on the send invite button, and this will trigger an email to these contacts that you've selected, and it will ask them to sign up to your coaching program. So over here is where you'll be able to select multiple contacts at once and invite them to your coaching program. Now, there is another method that you can invite contacts or clients to your coaching program. So now I'll take you to the contacts page, and over here, for instance, let's look at Brianna. So Brianna is a prospect, and I'd like to invite her to my coaching program. So over here, I can click on this drop down, and there are 3 different types of programs that I can select. The first is a quick start program. In this example, a quick start program does not require the client or the contact to go through an enrollment step. It's simply, as the name implies, a quick start program where they will be automatically enrolled into a coaching program because they may have, for instance, already paid you, or they may be an existing contact whom you are coaching in some other platform, and you'd like to bring them into the CoachVantage platform. So this is a very handy way of doing that. And another thing that you can do is to create a custom program specifically for this client. What this means is that you can actually create a program from scratch, customized for this contact, or you can import the standard program. In Jessica's case, it was the 2 that we saw earlier, and then you can customize it. And the third way is simply to select the coaching program. Now, the coaching program is actually the standard program that we saw earlier that were created in the programs page, managing chronic stress or diet and fitness for women. So I could select one of them and then click send invite, and it's going to trigger an automated email to Brianna to sign up to the coaching program. So this is if I want to invite Brianna specifically into my coaching program. I can do it from her contact record page as well. Now I'm going to show you a quick start program. What this means, just very quickly, if I click on this, it's going to bring up this page where I can enter the program details and click on next to go through all of the steps to set up all of these different steps that I would like to include as part of this program enrollment for Brianna. I'm not going to go through all of this now, just going to give you a very high level look at what you can do. Let's look at creating a custom program. So over here, you'll see that you can actually create the program from scratch. Alternatively, you could click on import program template. If I click this button, it's going to ask me to select a program, one of the standard programs that I have already created. And if I select, for instance, managing chronic stress and use this as the template, it's going to populate all of the information of my standard program over here. And at this point, I'm going to be able to customize specific things about this program just for Brianna. For instance, I could change the number of sessions. Maybe Brianna didn't want to sign up to 12 sessions and she just wanted 6 sessions. So instead of rewriting or recreating the wheel and rewriting everything from scratch, I can just change the number of sessions, and then I could change the program duration, let's say to 3 months, and then I would be able to move on to the next step. And I can customize other specific things, including the fees for this specific client. So those are all the different methods of how you can enroll your clients into your coaching program. I hope that has been helpful, and I wish you success in your coaching program journey with your clients.